Nope. There's an X right there. Can't go that way.
I didn't play the X there. I was already there, so I don't know what you're talking
No, but you
about.
can't put out there. Sorry.
I don't know what you're talking about. Fun.
Okay, so that was too simple. We're going to think of a harder way to do it.
It was like, done.
There's different sides you can do. It shows you all the answers. All the games you can do. Sudoku is too easy.
So now
We're going to do it yourself. And we'll leave it on solid so patterns don't matter.
So, but
40, 41, 42.
do I should I do half?
No, patterns don't matter. We're just going to do shape. So colors don't matter, patterns don't matter.
I don't know. I might want to put it in a certain order so that way.
55, 56, 57,
Kind of trial and error. You're just going to see what works.
61, 62, 63.
Daddy, I got past that hard mission that we never got past.
She's working on her day 5. Skip counting.
Counting
Hold on, let me.
And they're kind of taking turns. They do some problems while one does this. Mental blocks go.
Could we take in the car on vacation?
Yes, this lid snaps on very well. But I'm worried about these getting lost, so we'll have to be very careful.
That's type of vacation. I feel like we're gonna be squished because we're staying.
You feel like we're going to be squished
In the car?
because of that?
No, because you're just gonna be squished in the car.
Oh, in the car, yeah, it'll be a little squished. And we have to pack a lot of stuff.
But it's okay, as long as it's comfy and stuff.
Yes, hopefully we can fit because we'll have all of our luggage plus groceries for the condo.
And
And the busy bag, and the movies, the games, the books. She wants to watch Mickey's Christmas. You want to watch Mickey Christmas? Okay, I'm going to let Alyssa turn it on for you.
look.
Is she going to get it? We don't know.
So
The suspense. We're not doing patterns anyway, so it doesn't matter. Okay, should we... Oh, no, Natalie! Does it work? It doesn't work.
wait a minute. I can put this one down here, and I can.
It can't go there.
Can I go in here?
It can. It can go either one of those places.
Can I go here?
Oh, no, it can't. I didn't see that.
What is that?
Yep, that looks like it's gonna work. No!
No, can I trade them?
No.
Well,
I told you it's harder when it's not pre-made puzzle.
it goes like this.
Nope.
Why not? Why?
You have... And then this cannot go there. Okay. But what do you have here? That can't go there.
Can this?
No.
Why can't I?
Oh, that works. What do you have left?
Can I go like this? Go away.
Okay, so put them... Okay. Look! This doesn't work anyway. So figure out... Look, okay. There's 2 triangles here. Move this one because you already have a triangle there. Okay? What is not here?
This.
An X. Okay.
And then what is not here?
What is not here? What is not? What shape are you missing? What are the shapes?
I have these. I have circle.
Circle, square, cross, triangle.
2 triangles.
You have 2 circles here and 2 triangles here. So you need to figure out which row can you switch. So you have 2 X's here. This doesn't work.
But hold on, I need to trade this. What row does not have a triangle?
This one.
And that's...
But you can't put it here
Why?
because there's a triangle here. So this does not have a triangle, but the only place you can fit a triangle is here. Okay, so now you have circle, cross. The circle can stay there. But one of these crosses has to go. And this row has a triangle right there. So you can't move the triangle there.
Oh wait, I don't
This?
know how you would work.
Has to go.
You can put...
I don't know what
Okay.
I'm doing. But this has to go somewhere.
Right. So that can't stay there. So what row? Look, you have
Here.
2 squares on this row. No, you can't put it there. You'd have to put it here. We'll get it eventually.
I feel like this is a puzzle. I feel like this is candy. Like we're putting candy in a box, but it has to be
looks
in a
like it is.
circle.
It's just the Xbox takes a while lately to
I
load
feel
up.
like I'm putting candy.
Alright, finish. Are you done with skip counting?
I feel like I'm putting candy in boxes, but it has to be in a certain way.
Okay. This is missing a square. This row is missing a what? Triangle. Oh, but you can't have a triangle there.
But I can put some here.
I finished.
Okay, no.
I finished. I put the date and my.
We might have to come back when you get this. Okay, you're done with your skip counting. You have to now, what?
Review your multiplication fact. Complete your.
Is that right?
Wait.
Is that right?
Review your multiplication facts and what?
Complete your. Lemonade. Wait.
Yes, so we have to, and that's something we haven't done yet in these books, is we haven't taken out the pages in the back that you can laminate. So we're gonna do that now for her and her, Melissa and Natalie, so they can review those. First, we're gonna figure out this. So let's check it. There's only one circle going that way and one circle going this way. There's only one cross going up and down, okay? There's only one square and only one square. There's only one triangle, only one triangle. So this row, we know works.
That one.
Only one square, only one square. Only one triangle, only one. Right? Yes. Okay. Okay.
I think it's all good.
Okay. 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 Natalie, I think you did it.
Let's see. This is good. This is good. This is good.
Okay. Yay, Natalie! So
That was so hard.
for older kids, do your own Sudoku.
If you're younger.
If you're younger, this gives you lots of puzzles you can do. So this would be the easiest. That's the first one we tried.
I'm not even 5. And I don't go up.
You don't go up. And then it gets harder and harder. And then, so we're going to just do a blank though for them.
I'm 9.
Here's the solutions
This would be good for in the car.
for all the puzzles. This is slide and solve. That sounds fun. We'll do that. Okay. We're going to go laminate pages though. And then you can try the Sudoku.
Here, I can film Mom.
Okay. Okay. Oh.
Putting it in. I'm so nervous.
And you let it go.
Oh, this is going in.
You know what I was thinking? Maybe we should do it backwards. So it seals the air out. You know what I mean?
Oh, here it comes.
Here it comes. Out the other side.
Wouldn't it be hot?
Yeah. Let's see, it gets firm.
Can I feel?
Well, it's going out because the air touches
Yeah, but don't pull, okay?
Whoa, it feels so cool.
So, but I'm wondering if we're squeezing air into there. This way you can write on it and erase it.
Yep.
And work on it and practice it.
We're gonna need
And
to
we
get
can
some smaller
punch
ones.
it.
Some
Yes.
smaller markers.
And we are also going to be laminating that.
Is this mine?
Place
too?
value mat. Yeah, there's nothing in the back. And you know what you could do if you wanted to save laminating paper is you could put this on the back side of the one you already did, because these are one-sided, and you can just flip it and practice if you want to save your paper and not have to. Oh. So now it's nice and solid. We're going to hole punch it. We're going to stick it in her binder, and she's going to practice that. And then also for today, she is supposed to make some flashcards. And so
Can I put this in?
you can put it in, yes.
Or you just stick it in? You just stick it in.
You just stick it in and it starts to suck it in a second. Make sure it's, yeah.
Make sure it's nice and straight. Okay, just go wait. Wait, why isn't it going in?
You have to get it in far enough There you go.
There you go. Stick it up.
Okay, so we're going to do those. We're going to do Natalie's. We're going to make flashcards.
And then it's gonna
Lissa's
come
going to
out
play. Have you played the Sudoku game yet?
Nope.
Okay, we're going to do all those things. And that'll be math for today. Our science is an
of
experiment.
there. See it?
It's so
I'll add a picture of that. And then we're going to journal about it. And all the kids are doing the experiment today. So that's everyone's science.
Probably look tired, don't I?
No, you look beautiful. Okay, so we laminated their multiplication grid from the master book. And they filled out everything they knew by heart. And then what we did was the ones they don't know by heart, I had them pick the highest number they didn't know by heart, because they're the hardest usually. And make a right brain flashcard, which means it shows the answer along with it.
That memorizes it, makes you memorize it better.
Yes, it helps you to memorize it better. And then,
ring holds it, so-
yep, we put it on one of these rings. And then what we'll do is every day when they get done with their lessons, they will do another number, make more flashcards for another number that they don't have memorized. So,
some of them I know, but not.
so 9 wasn't memorized. So we did that, and then we'll just add it to the ring, and they can quiz each other over them. I like these right-brained flashcards because they're better for memorization, and you can do a quiz anytime, and I feel like it builds confidence. So that we will go over these a couple of times with them, and that'll be their math for today.
Oh no! That's the end.
They're using Mango Languages to do their French lesson.
And I'm gonna stab it.
It's their favorite part of the school day, I think.
How do you say, oh, good morning?
Tiens, bonjour.
She never gives me
Tien bonjour. They use binders.
Hi, so I would say hi and bye sometimes.
Tiens, bonjour.
And they color code their words. They're not writing right now because this is review. They've already done it.
Tiens, bonjour.
And after this we have a quiz.
And then they have a quiz. Let me show them your binder real quick while y'all work.
Tiens, bonjour.
Okay.
Put the pieces together to say, oh,
We've been to the candy store lately.
are literally saying, hold it,
Okay.
good morning. How's it
Show
going?
y'all. They haven't decorated a page for this yet. So they color code according to how Mango does it. Well, they pick their own colors, but so salut means hi, so they can go back in their notes and see what word that related to. And they do that
Say, how would you say, how are you?
every day.
For one person.
So she's just practicing her middle name. She always forgets how to spell it. So we'll give this back to her.
Comment allez-vous?
Comment allez-vous?
It looks like it's.
And we voted. You can pick a bunch of different languages on Mango. We all voted for French. Well, I think Lissa voted for Spanish, but she was outvoted by everyone else. So,
Bonjour, comment allez-vous? Or is it formal? Is it formal? It's comment allez-vous.
What's the formal way to say,
formal.
good morning, how are you?
Bonjour,
When speaking to an individual?
Speak.
Yep, y'all were right. We are out checking on our science experiments, and they are done. They've been out for what?
Can I take?
Maybe 3 hours? 2 hours? Yeah, about 3 hours.
Here.
So here, there's Melissa's. That was a penny, but Aria took it. And a stapler and the shadow from the stapler. So let's go see that.
It's like Peter Pan's shadow.
Yeah.
It just was on him.
There's the Batman, the gun, the flashlight. This is
Isn't that cool?
here's where the pencil was. The tape. This little gear.
And here is
This
my
triangle.
guitar.
And scissors.
That's so cool. So who can tell me why these shadows are still on here?
Because the sun goes on
The paper and the items protect it from the sun.
Yeah. The items on the paper
and it keeps it.
Mommy, I want to
way.
play my shadow.
keep the UV rays from hitting the paper,
I
right?
want to play my shadow.
So it can't.
Mom, I want to play my shadow.
Okay, Violet.
Yeah. Oh, you're gonna paint it? Okay. It can't reach the paper where the objects are to break down the paper. Yes, it will stay like that.
Let's go put. We should hang it up in the dining room.
Yeah.
No, you should hang it up in the dining room.
Okay, we have to take in our objects too, guys. Violet's going to paint her shadows. So that is super fun, easy experiment to go along with our chemistry. Yep, you got it? We are out checking on our science experiments, and they are done. They've been out for what? Maybe 3 hours? 2 hours? Yeah, about 3 hours. So here, there's Melissa's. That was a penny, but Aria took it. And a stapler and the shadow from the stapler. So let's go see.
It's like Peter Pan's shadow.
Yeah.
It just doesn't move.
There's the Batman, the gun, the flashlight. This is
Isn't that cool?
here's where the pencil was. The tape. This little gear.
And here is
This
my
triangle.
whiskers.
And scissors.
That's so cool. So who can tell me why these shadows are still on here?
Because the sun goes on
The paper and the items protect it from the sun.
Yeah. The items on the paper
and it keeps it.
Mommy, I want to paint my shadow.
keep the UV rays from hitting the paper, right?
I want to paint my shadow.
So it can't.
Mom, I want to paint my shadow.
Okay, Violet.
Yeah. Oh, you're gonna paint it? Okay. It can't reach the paper where the objects are to break down the paper. Yes, it will stay like that.
Let's go put. We should hang it up in the dining room.
Yeah.
No, you should hang it up in the dining room.
Okay, we have to take in our objects too, guys. Violet's going to paint her shadows. So that is super fun, easy experiment to go along with our chemistry. Yep, you got it?
There's a stapler on it.
Okay, so we finished our science experiment. Took about 3 hours for it to work. And now they are journaling in their Thinking Tree books about the experiment. We're using a comic strip section because they only gave us 2 experiment pages for each subject of science. And we have a chemistry set, and we're wanting to do some really cool experiments. So for this one, we're putting it on the comic strip.
Oh, you're gonna film me.
Probably. So they're gonna draw in the 4 boxes, and then in the bigger one, they're gonna write about the experiment.
I did.
Okay, what I did. Very cool. So this is the last thing they have for school today. I think we did our American Girl, and I'll show y'all the book we used for this. We're on our last one. And this looks kind of grungy because it was mine when I was a kid. Yeah.
Here's my binder, if you want to show it.
So, well, yes, this I print off their questions that they have. So they went and did their Molly questions somewhere in here.
We've done
And I'll do a review of that.
Felicity, Kirsten, Samantha,
Didn't do.
Addie.
The book we use, which I'll show in a review, does not use Josefina. It looks like Josephina, right? But we listened to an audiobook, and it was Josefina. So
We're on Molly, which
they're
is the
going to
last
journal. They have to do their private reading, like to themselves. They did their French quiz. Yeah, most of the time they do that before bed. And they're going to be done. It's about 1. So they'll have a couple hour break for drama.
Tomorrow's our play.
I know. And today they perform in front of the OBU students, which is a college here in town. Okay, I have to go help the baby. They're going to get done, and I'm going to do Liam and Violet. I usually do them Violet in the morning, but I didn't this morning because my head was hurting really bad, so I'm going to do her with Liam, and hope that works out well. Bye.
Matt.
Mac.
Matt.
Yeah. What's in your mouth? Oh, okay.
Matt.
Mac.
Matt.
I think it just sounds funny because of your candy.
And it's so beautiful.
Oh, yeah. Are you beautiful?
Yeah. So cute and beautiful.
Taking the girls to drama. Their last rehearsal, which isn't really a rehearsal
Yeah.
because it's being recorded and it's being performed in front of the students here at the OBU. We have a Moana with us today. So here we go. Tomorrow's the big night. Are you excited, Lissa?
And it's the day before my birthday. I'll be 11.
Yes, you're right. 2 days till Melissa turns 11. So we are super duper excited. Yeah. Okay, we gotta go downstairs. Are you excited, Natalie? Excited? Yeah. I'm so nervous. Hey, we're going downstairs, they said. Always leaving me. Be careful!
Also, if you wanna go to drama and have ours, then you can tell.
Yeah, if you're older. Monkey boy.
And this one look it up. And also, if you wanna balance, then you can balance.
Wee-hoo! Come on, let's go, Sissy. You can go see Daddy?
Can we go to the park?
It's almost time for Daddy to be home.
What?
Yep, and we haven't even done your school, so we gotta go home. Okay.